My friends, this is Professor Sam, your friend. As usual, Professor Sam 2025. You know, my target is to teach you 3 languages: English, French, and Kinyarwanda. So, if you are interested if you want to learn English, it's easy to tell me that I want to learn English. You see? If you want to learn French, you can tell me that I want to learn French. If you want Kinyarwanda, you can tell me. But the problem, you are all quiet. You're not telling me what I can teach you. So, it's up to you to tell me what I can teach you. So, last time, my topic was about Moses, conversation between Moses and John. So, I'm going to proceed. But if you see any challenge or what you don't like, you can tell me. But don't keep quiet, please. Like and share. And subscribe, by the way. It's Professor Sam. I will teach you all you want. So, in English here we say, how old are you? How old are you? But let me do this. If someone else in English says, how old are you? In French, he's asking you, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Ufite imyaka ingahe? Mu Kinyarwanda ufite imyaka ingahe? So the reply, let me now do this. In the reply, John said, I'm 25 years old. You see, this J is John. I'm 25 years old. This is John. Now, when you go in French, it's like, John says, j'ai 25 ans. J'ai 25 ans. It's, I'm 25 years old. J'ai 25 ans. But in Kinyarwanda, mfite imyaka. Okay. Mfite imyaka 25. You see? So now, this can take a lot of time. Let us do this. So we are still here. I'm 25 years old. That is John who is saying. And now John asked Moses, Moses, how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? And Moses said, I'm 22. But he's still young. I'm 22 years old. You know? Now, John says, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And Moses says, nice to meet you. Because if someone says, nice to meet you, you reply, nice to meet you. And John says, see you. And they put it there, exclamation tag. Okay, we shall see it. And Moses says, see you. That is how you put the exclamation tag, and that's how it goes. Okay, now, this was in English, but still, what I want to remind you is this. I'm teaching you. This is Professor Sam 2025. Conversation between Moses and John. So, if you like it, it's simple. You go where there is a thumb. They say, I like it. And if you want to share, it's written there, share. And if you want to subscribe here, I want to show you this. To subscribe, it's just like to register. Whatever I put on my YouTube channel, you will see it. Why aren't you subscribing? Please do it. Please like, share, and subscribe please. So we finished the Kinyarwanda, English part. Now we have come to French part. This French part, where we said how old are you in French, we say quel âge as-tu. It was Moses who was asking, and Moses and John said j'ai 25 ans. J'ai 25 ans. And John says quel âge as-tu. Quel âge as-tu? It's like quel âge as-tu, Moses? But said quel âge as-tu? Moses said j'ai 22 ans. 22 ans. J'ai 22 ans. And John said enchanté, enchanté. And Moses said enchanté. It's like nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Yeah. But that is why I said you go in English part and you see what it means. We can go back a little bit. Nice to meet you. That was John. Nice to meet you. Moses says, nice to meet you. John says, see you. And Moses says, see you. And now, it's like here, Moses said, John said, enchanté. Enchanté. John, it's J. John, enchanté. And Moses said, enchanté. Now, see you, it's à bientôt. And this guy, Moses said, à bientôt. Now, we come in Kinyarwanda. You see? Kinyarwanda. Kinyarwanda. I didn't put the A, but okay, let me put it there. Kugira ngo mubimenye, it's not Kinyarwanda, Kinyarwanda. See? Kinyarwanda. Okay. Now, it's like ufite imyaka ingahe? Moses, wari kubaza yari John. Okay, yari John yarabajije ufite imyaka ingahe? Moses aravuga ngo mfite imyaka 25. Noneho ahita amubaza ufite imyaka ingahe? Niho kumaza wowe ufite imyaka ingahe? Wowe ariko niko yanamubajije. Wowe ufite imyaka ingahe? And now the guy said mfite 22. I'm 22 years old. Moses. And byiza guhura nawe. It's like nice to meet you. Oh, enchanté. In French, oh, nice to meet you. And in English, it's like nice to meet you. But in Kinyarwanda, it's tricky. We say byiza guhura nawe. But they don't even like to say it. Ntabwo bakunda kubivuga. Turongera. See, okay, à bientôt. Oh, see you. That is what I have planned for you. Please subscribe, share, and like Professor Sam. But this name is easy. This is Professor Sam 2025. It's not a big deal. You can subscribe. Thank you. But I'm going to put there short. If you like short, I'm going to make it for you. Thank you. Keep up. I'm here for you guys.